Welcome to Gear Shift Journey. In today's video, I'll be talking about the performance mod that I would be installing on my Royal Enfield Himalayan 411. So the first mod that I'm going to discuss is about iridium spark plug. So the kit that I have is from NGK Power Parts, and it has three components. The first one, I'll just unbox it and show it to you. The first one itself is about the spark plug. The second one is the coil and the cable. This is the coil, this is the performance coil, and along with it you'll be rewarded with a keychain. So when it comes to iridium spark plug, it provides better fuel efficiency, better throttle response, and also it's an anti-corrosion to the vehicle as it has high melting point. And we have the second product on the list, that is KNN Air Filter. This is a high performance free flow air filter that will increase your vehicle's fuel efficiency and it increases the pickup of your vehicle. Its composite material is organic cotton and it is easy to maintain, and this is a lifetime air filter which lasts about 1 lakh kilometers plus. And you can also get an KNN filter and KNN cleaning kit wherein you have the steps and procedures to clean it. So let me just unbox the air filter and show it to you how exactly it looks like. So what you get in the box is the air filter. This is the warranty card and sticker, KNN sticker. This is how the filter looks like. So basically right now the filter is oiled. So this is what the KNN filter looks like. This is the branding that you can find. So this is what it is all about KNN. It's made up of organic cotton. You can see the organic cotton fibers. So this will absorb more air and supply more oxygen to your vehicle. And the next product is an AHO from Novatronics. The benefit of this is it turns on and turns off your headlight manually, wherein in BS6 the main problem is the headlight is turned on, wherein it consumes a lot of battery. This is a plug and play device wherein you don't have to cut the wires or it doesn't tamper your warranty. Third product that I'm going to unbox is from Novatronics, and it is an AHO switch. So this is an automatic headlight off switch. I'll just unbox it. So this is what the switch look like. This is the main component. So this is a modulator that monitors your headlight. So this is just a plug and play. So the benefit of this is just plug it to your socket. It will turn off your headlight. This is applicable for BS6. So this is an STP brand company named throttle body cleaner or car cleaner. So the benefit of this is it cleans the carbon that has been formed up in your throttle body. So by cleaning this, it helps in better flow of air and better fuel efficiency, and it also resolves the issue of pickup and other stuff. So the next product that I'm going to unbox is, it's the biggest mod that I'm going to change. It's from Red Rooster Performance Play. The Slipon Exhaust, and it's a polished grade. With the polished grade, it is not matte or black version of it. It's a polished grade exhaust from Red Rooster, and you also get a couple of screws and a mounting plate and a keychain. And along with the Slipon exhaust, this is also a major upgrade that I'm doing. This is a free flow exhaust again from Red Rooster. So I'm just eager to wait and watch how this performs. The reason I'm installing this is as you get better air exit out of the exhaust pipe, and it also increases the torque. It increases the vehicle's mileage and fuel efficiency. So at last, this is my kit that I'm going to use or that I'm going to install in my Royal Enfield Himalayan. The first, again, the NGK spark plug with the air filter, the AHO switch, Slipon exhaust and a free flow bend pipe. So I'll get a detailed installation video, and not but lastly, this is the throttle body cleaner wherein it removes the carbon from your throttle body. And I'll also share the links where I purchased this product, so you can just refer or buy it.